Hello everyone! Today I'm doing my manager and cog tier list. The advocate goes in the S tier. I love advocates. They're like adorable. Wait, on second thought, I'm gonna make like a furry tier. Furry. Adorable. Cute. No. Hell nah! No. Adorable. No. Cute. Adorable. Hell nah. Hell nah. Wait, that goes in furry tier. Cute. Hell nah. Adorable. Wait, furry! It counts as a raccoon. I love raccoons. Yeah, case manager goes in adorable because I love him. No. Hell yeah. Yes. 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 No. Hell no. No. I don't like the old board bots. They look terrible. I prefer the new board bots. They just look cute. Like, especially the head honcho. Like, I had a crush on the head honcho. Don't ask why. I just love them. Oh, I'm getting a bit thirsty. That was a nice drink. On second thought, no, I really like vampires. Deep Diver's a fish, so furry. You know, people actually make personas based off, like, fish and stuff. Like, eh. I'm mostly just a fan of the board bots and cogs and stuff. Furry because ducks are fursonas. No. Furry because owls are furries. Adorable because I love Firestarter. No, I do not like flunkies. Don't ask. No, I do not like Gladhanders. They're adorable. Just kidding. I'm. Oh my god, dude! I hate the old board bots so much. They look so creepy. High Roller is a furry. He's cute. I love him. Furry. 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 I'm dissing all over the cogs, dude. I'm dissing them. Yeah, I love the Mingler. She's nice. No, I'm not in the mood for the Mint Otter. I love the Mouthpiece. She's cute. Like, definitely cute. I do not like Mr. Hollywoods. I prefer the Multi-Slacker. I thought he's cute. Hell yeah. No. Yeah, I'm in the mood for Paysetter. Nope. Also, there's a furry right here. Jesus. Yeah, I like the Petty Foggers. They're cute. Hell yeah. I love Prethinker. He's nice. Okay. Damn it! Oh, God. Okay, the satellite investors. They're nice. Yep, goats actually count as furries. Don't ask. Nope. Yeah, why not? No. Wait, I'm gonna make a new, like, tier. There we go. Alright, girl, you're going up here. Ah! No! No! I accidentally put her in the no tier. No! Well, this is just absolute dog shit. I prefer the Toxic Manager. She's nice. Yep, he's a beaver in this Halloween costume. That's a cat. No. Yep, we're just gonna save that. Frick yeah. How do I actually save this? No preview image, regenerate now. Yeah, there we go. Dude. I've had it. Jesus. Jesus, dude. What? Yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna end the video. Bye.